Minna no Nihongo Lesson 18 Part 2 Vocabulary 1 Genkin Cash Genkin de okane o haraimasu to pay money by cash. Second, Shumi Hobby Watashi no shumi wa dokusho desu. My hobby is reading. Third, Nikki Diary Maiban Nikki o kakimasu. I write in my diary every evening. Fourth, Oinori prayer o shimasu. Pray. Jinja de oinori shimasu. I pray at the shrine. Fifth, Kacho, section head. Kacho wa kibishi hito desu. Our section head is quite strict. 6. Bucho, department head. Bucho wa ima kaisha ni imasen. The department head is unavailable for some time. 7th, Shacho, company president. Kyo shacho wa oi de narimasu. The president head will be visiting. 8th, Dobutsu, animal. Dona dobutsu ga suki desu ka? Which is your favorite animal? 9. Uma, horse. 北海道で馬を見ることができます。You can see horses in 北海道。10th. インターネット The internet インターネットで調べます。To search on the internet